I feel as though the mountains of Kashmir are calling me. These enchanting valleys stretching as far as the eye can see. The captivating mountain ranges, the crystal clear lakes, the lush green fields, all are a portrait of beauty and grace. The warm-hearted people, the vibrant local culture, the accessible means of travel. Everything seems to be awaiting your arrival. The mountains speak in silence, casting a magical spell that draws you in. And when you spend time in their embrace, those moments become etched in both your conscious and subconscious forever. Such is the irresistible charm of my Kashmir. Those who haven't seen it long to witness its beauty, and those who have leave a piece of their heart behind. This is my Kashmir,